Removing silence in DaVinci Resolve used to mean scrubbing through your timeline and cutting every pause by hand. Ripple Delete Silence does it automatically, and it does it in 30 seconds or less. We're talking one menu, a few clicks, and Resolve marks every silent section for you. And stick around, because at the end, we're going to try something I've never done before. I'm sure you can use this in more than just talking heads. So let's see if I can build a harmony using nothing but Ripple Delete Silence and Auto Align. We'll do it together. First things first, you're going to grab your clip, go to Clip, and then down to Audio Operations. This is where you'll find Ripple Delete Silence. Now what you'll do with this menu is you're going to move your threshold. So the lower I go, the more red removes, which is your silences. And then we take it back up. Now, it opens up at 25, and I find 25 does a fairly good job. You can see that it's cutting out in between each one, every silent spot. So prehead, what it does is it moves at the end just before you start talking again. Now you don't need a whole lot of frames, just enough to create a gap so that you're not chopping anything off. Post tail does exactly the opposite. It does it from the other end. And you'll see if I put it to 0, do you see here? It's inside on that waveform. We take post tail and we pull it back just enough that it's off of that waveform so that it's not chopped. So I'm gonna go 8 frames. We'll say that. Close this back down so you can see what it does. You see all your silences there. 24 frames is the minimum to strip. So if there's only 18 frames there, it won't take that one out. Crossfade audio, you can click if you like. I don't, but it's up to you. What it'll do is just fade the audio in and out together so that it sounds a little bit smoother, but I don't use it. Hit remove and done. As you can see, it's already cut them all up. All the silences have been removed. And now I've got all this footage that I can go through and figure out what's what. Now, if this is saving you time already, hit like and subscribe. It helps other beginners who are stuck editing pauses by hand find this video. Now here, this is where you'll want to run through it once to check for clipped words or unnatural cuts, making sure nothing's too aggressive. If it is, then just undo it, lower the threshold a little bit, and run it again. Now one thing, you don't have to run it on the whole clip. You got a quiet section that you want to keep, maybe to drop some music under. Just make a cut to keep that part and then run it on the rest of the clip. Let me show you. Let's say from the beginning all the way to here, I want to run some music. So, throw in a cut, use your blade tool, select what you do want to delete the silences out of, do it again. Go to Clip, Audio Operations, Ripple Delete Silence, up at Chem, and it's not touching anything on this side here, which is what you want. So that's fairly simple, right? That's Ripple Delete Silence. One of the fastest ways to clean up a talking head edit. Now, the harmony experiment. I'm gonna use the voiceover tool right here in the edit page. Down here in audio input, I'm clicking my Yeti stereo mic, which is this guy right here. And I'm going to pick my voiceover track as where to record it. Now I'm just gonna run a continuous clip with 3 vocals, 3 notes. So that's not terrible. It's terrible, actually. But we'll actually jump to a clean timeline. What I'm gonna do is take that voiceover clip I made, I'll bring it down, Ripple Delete the silence here, set it up so that it's close, which we've already done, hit remove, got our 3 clips, and I actually don't even need to auto align because it's all set fine. I just gotta stack them and we got ourselves a harmony. We're making music now with Ripple Delete Silence, right? We just used a cleanup tool to make music. Told you it wasn't just for talking heads. Look, there are more Resolve time savers in the new DaVinci Resolve playlist. And that's it for me, guys. Say hi to DaVinci for me, and I'll catch you in the next one.